Oracle Enterprise Manager. What is Oracle Enterprise Manager? Oracle Enterprise Manager is a vastly complex and very comprehensive tool for managing Oracle Enterprise databases. How do we run Oracle Enterprise Manager? What I'm going to do here is to show you how to run the console. Enterprise Manager console under your Oracle menu tag on Windows 98 or NT Server. I'm going to launch it standalone, so I'm going to connect directly to my database. Let's maximize the windows so we get all the interesting stuff on the screen. I have two databases registered with my Oracle Enterprise Manager console. What I'm interested in is NT Server. And now I'm being prompted to connect to my NT Server database. So let me log in as my database administrator, which is sys, and I'll log in as sysdba. Now that I'm logged in, I can see I have all sorts of information instantly at my fingertips. Some DBAs like to use Oracle Enterprise Manager extensively, and others do not. Probably the more traditional DBAs will use Oracle Enterprise Manager for looking at logical database objects such as tables and indexes and compiling procedures, etc. Here we have schemas and all the logical objects inside that schema. What I'm going to do here is I'm going to view by schema, which should make it a little more familiar. Now I can look at my concepts tables, and we can see we have the act table, which we've already seen, and the venue table, which we've already seen. Listed on the right, I have all the details of the venue table. In other words, the venue ID, name, city, state, country, column names, plus the data types, plus the sizes of those fields, whether fields are nullable or not, any default values. I can also list out constraints. That's an alternate key, that's a primary key, storage parameters which can be changed. I have not changed those. Any options, statistics generation, and the way that constraints are stored. Generally, I've kept everything simple in the concepts schema because at this stage we're concentrating on SQL and PL/SQL. Most of the information inside Oracle Enterprise Manager, particularly in the Oracle Enterprise Manager console, is really applicable to database administration. There are extra packages which can be added on to Oracle Enterprise Manager. We'll get into that in a while. As far as SQL and PL/SQL are concerned, all we're really interested in is the logical side. In other words, the schemas themselves. As you can see, I have various schemas in this database. Assist and system schema are reserved by Oracle, and they contain generally the metadata for your database. Other areas which are really out of scope as far as SQL and PL/SQL are concerned is the instance information, security details. Although security is important to SQL and PL/SQL, we will get onto that later on. Here are my users, my concept user. Roles can be defined, and profiles. Storage is really database administration. Replication is another kettle of fish altogether. That's really what Oracle Enterprise Manager is. It's a management tool. You can use it to manage multiple databases across a network